right, I've never done an unboxing video before. So I got this huge box from Coach Outlet Online. All right, so I opened the big box for this, and this bag was just placed in this plastic bag like this. No tissue paper, no wrapping, nothing. Just placed in the tissue paper. And it is, you know, you could tell it's a new bag. It does have a few scratches. And I guess it's based on the leather because it feels like soft lamb leather. And I'm not too fussy about perfect wrapping or anything. But at least, gee whiz, they could have at least wrap it up a little bit nicer, more presentable. And this is usually not the case from Coach. They usually do a fine job with their wrapping. However, I like this though. So it's a gorgeous Dinky with the rivets. It's beautiful. Beautiful. And I ordered when it just came. As a matter of fact, when the sale started, I think it was Friday night, and they had the extra 20%, or I'm not sure which day, but one of those days they had the extra 20% off. This is really nice though. This bag feels like beautiful lamb leather. So no, I'm gonna keep it. I'm not gonna return it, but wow. They could have done the presentation a little bit better. And it did come with a dust bag. It came with a 1940 really nice cotton dust bag. All right, let me look at the other bag. So I've always wanted one of these bags, and this is the Rogue 25. I ordered the regular Rogue, which was a 30 before, and I returned it because it felt a little bit too big for the purpose I needed it for. But anyway, this is how this came to, just this plastic bag, nothing on it either. And I guess it came like this because it is a Coach retail store bag, but doesn't look used or anything. It just doesn't have any wrapping, any special wrapping on it. But it looks good. All right, let me, yeah. And this is very soft pebbled leather and stuff. Okay, let me see. Has the tag. All right. It does have the 2 tags. Let's see. It does have the shoulder. Alrighty, so it has the shoulder straps. Alrighty, let's see what else is in it. Comes with, okay, has wrapping. Oops, doesn't come with a dust bag though. No dust bag. Okay, well that part is a bit disappointing. It doesn't have the dust bag, but it looks like whoever had it, or maybe it's just from the store and they didn't put the dust bag in it. Alrighty, this also was an extra 20% off. It's nice though. I like these little studded things on it. Yep. Well, all right, it looks okay. Just wanted to share my unboxing since I've never done one of these before, and it just dawned on me, why not do an unboxing? Anyway, I'm going to keep it, even though it does have a few wrinkles here and there. it didn't come with a dust bag, but it seemed okay. Yeah, so here, let me take this one up too. That's what this one looks like. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching.